Hello everyone. I hope you all are in good health. In the previous videos, we discussed about some of the basic concepts of solubility. We always think whatever the concepts we study is restricted towards either the subject or the course we take. But definitely it is not. Especially in life sciences and in our pharmacy also. I always believe in a saying. Hippocrates said that food is thy medicine and medicine is thy food. So we pharmacists involved in the preparation of drugs. That is medicines. So when we go back to the saying, food is thy medicine. So when food is prepared, the same process or the same concepts we study is getting involved in this food processing also in our day-to-day life. So we see this concept, especially the solubility concept, in day-to-day life. So I want you to demonstrate one such formulation and describe about how the solubility applies in that formulation processing. So we are now in midst of pandemic COVID-19, and the government authorities and other regulatory bodies, they have advised us to boost our immunity. So many people tell many formulations that we have to take. For example, they tell we have to take lemon water. So some of them tell we have to take lemon ginger, and some tell we have to take lemon, ginger and pepper, and some of them tell all these three plus we have to take turmeric powder. So we have to take this, dissolve, put it in the water and boil it, make it into half the quantity, cool it and drink it. But we don't know what is the quantity. So there are so many formulations which they guide, which they tell us day to day. One such formulation which many of them are very curious to know what it is, and somehow they try to formulate at home, that is Kabasura Kudineer. I repeat, Kabasura Kudineer. So this they tell that it is very good for respiratory problems. So this formulation, they give different dosage form. It is available either as a coarse powder or as fine powder. And the directions are given very roughly. So it is, they tell the particular quantity of solute is taken, the amount of the solid which they provide, that is taken and dissolved in the water. It is not dissolved, it is mixed with water. How much ever quantity you are taking, so you have to make it into half the quantity and then consume it. So I found one such formulation. They have mentioned we have to take 2 tablespoons of the coarse powder what is being given, and it is mixed with 1 tumbler of water and boiled to half the quantity, cool it and consume it. So I want to show you this, a demonstration of this formulation. How a layman does this, and after knowing or after learning the concept of this solubility, how we can prepare as a pharmacist, how we can prepare in the daily basis at home and consume it. There should be a difference. Come, let us go for the demonstration of formulation of Kabasura Kudineer. So here I have got this Kabasura Kudineer powder. It is they have mentioned as 3 gram, 2 tablespoons. So I have taken 3 grams. So I have optimized this. I have taken 10 times of this and taken the mean. The mean value is around 3 grams. So I have taken 3 grams of the coarse powder of the formulation what they provide. I have taken water. So it is mentioned as 1 tumbler. So I have taken 1 tumbler of water. 1 tumbler. So the tumbler which is at home of mine. So I have taken. So we know the domestic measures of the tumbler. So how a pharmacist can prepare the same in midst of this COVID-19 at home. So this I have taken a measured amount of the water what they have mentioned. So first I have placed this powder and I have taken, so in this I place a small amount of the solvent, mix wet, because so this Kapasura Kudineer powder what is available, it contains more than 14 herbs. So this might be soluble, as I discussed about the solubility concepts in the last video. So this is a solid. So in this the constituents might be soluble in water or might not be soluble in water. So first I have wetted it and then I have placed the entire solvent inside. Now, so as such, the soluble components cannot be extracted in the water. So what we do, we apply temperature. So now we apply temperature so that the active constituents soluble in water are extracted. So we wait for it to boil. Now we have this 1 tumbler full we have, and this as per the dosage mentioned in the coarse powder box what they sell, as per what they have mentioned, we have to boil this into half the quantity. Now we give temperature for how much time? So time we have to optimize. So I have already optimized the time as 6 minutes. So if we keep 6 minutes, for example, if I take 200 ml, this is made to boil and concentrate to 100 ml. So I have optimized as 6 minutes. So with 6 minutes of boiling, this will give 100 ml, half the quantity. Now, so what about this temperature? So how much temperature we have to apply? Now here I have used the induction stove and I have given the controlled temperature of, here I have pressed the curry, a controlled temperature. So now here, so when we are in the lab, we can even mention what is the degree, what is the exact temperature what we have to make it. In between stirring is essential because the coarse powder, it sediments or it just stays on the outer layer of the vessel, upper layer here. So because of that we make this, by stirring we just make this coarse powder to be uniformly mixed with the solvent. Now we don't have to, now we understood that we have to apply, we have to give temperature, right? So this temperature, if it is very high, what happens? The solvent gets concentrated or it evaporates faster. So the extraction process will not be proper. So we give a optimum temperature so that we give time for the solvent to extract the soluble components present in the coarse powder. Otherwise, just for namesake, we boil it into half the quantity, but the soluble components might not be extracted properly in the solvent. So in between, stirring is essential. I hope when I am doing this, the setup might be looking like a kitchen, but it is similar to our lab, the formulation what we prepare in the lab. So what I wanted to show you here to you is the difference of understanding the concept or without understanding the concept. As a layman, they prepare the same. So there is a difference. So I am stirring it continuously. You can see that the powders are getting onto the walls, and so I am stirring it so that the complete extraction takes place and the soluble components are extracted. Now it is optimized for 6 minutes, so we have to wait for 6 minutes. Now in this COVID-19 period, in every house maybe a similar preparation is done. I know very well that the same might be it is a fine solid or it is a coarse powder or a fine powder. So whatever it is prepared in every home to either increase our immunity, for the purpose of increasing the immunity, or for the better respiration or to avoid the respiratory problems. So we keep it, and now so the time has attained, so now I switch off and keep it aside. You can see now the color has changed. So we keep it for some time so that all the coarse powder or the undissolved, unextracted coarse powder is settling at the bottom. After few seconds, we can either filter it and keep it in the tumbler or in any of the container like this, or we can wait it to get cooled completely in the vessel itself and transfer later on. Here, so what is the difference that when we transfer when it is hot on when we cool it in the vessel itself with this coarse powder? Generally, we keep it in this bowl itself, container itself with the coarse powder to get cool, because we believe that some of the constituents, soluble constituents, might be solubilizing at this time because already the solution is hot. So might be this temperature might make some of the soluble components to get solubilized in the meantime. Okay, so now we are going to filter this. we have filtered, and you can see that it is half the quantity. So we have taken full, tumbler full, and now exactly it is half the quantity. So now likewise this is ready for consumption now. Now Kabasura Kudineer, we have got it as a powder, and as it is mentioned in the label, we have taken 3 grams and mixed with water, 200 ml of water, and it is boiled to make it into half the quantity, filtered, and it is taken. This is Kabasura Kudineer formulation ready for consumption. So now, so many of them might think that, so what is the relation between this Kabasura Kudineer and the solubility concept what I have explained before the demonstration. Now after the demonstration, so it is clear that these concepts, whatever we study either in the subject or the course, directly or indirectly applies in our day-to-day life. So it is not only important to understand just for examination purpose, or we think in a sophisticated lab we prepare a formulation and give it as a dose, give it as a drug. No, definitely no. So it is applicable in our day-to-day life. So you can, whenever you prepare anything in your kitchen, also you can apply all these concepts to understand the concepts very clearly and much better. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing, sharing, commenting and liking the video. Thank you.